Is your Spectrum Wi-Fi router constantly turning off? The most common culprits are overheating and power supply issues. First, ensure your router has adequate ventilation. Don't place it in enclosed spaces like cabinets. Position it in an open area and consider using a small fan to improve airflow. Check for dust buildup around the vents and clean them if necessary. Next, examine the power brick. Symptoms of a failing power brick include flickering LEDs or the router not powering on at all. The power brick should be a Spectrum certified 12-volt 3-amp unit. If it's overheating, buzzing, or showing signs of damage, replace it immediately. Spectrum stores sell compatible replacements for around $20 to $40. Use a UPS or surge protector to protect your router from power surges, which can damage the power brick and other components. These simple checks and fixes can often resolve the issue. If ventilation and power brick fixes don't resolve the issue, try advanced troubleshooting. Begin by resetting the router using the pinhole button, holding it for 10 seconds. Update your router's firmware through the Spectrum app. Outdated firmware can lead to instability and unexpected shutdowns. Regularly monitor your router's temperature with tools like Router Check to catch heat issues early. Avoid overloading your Wi-Fi network with too many devices, as this raises processing demands and generates more heat. For long-term prevention, upgrade to newer Spectrum router models such as SAC2V2A or SAC2V3A, which have improved heat sinks for better cooling. If you live in a hot climate, consider mesh Wi-Fi systems. Multiple nodes distribute the heat load, reducing strain on a single router. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support at 1-855-478-6789 for professional diagnostics and potential equipment replacements.